Why am I doing this to myself? I think this every 20 steps or so. I bought all this stuff, I'm here, I'm doing the thing, and it is a beautiful day. I mean, look at how tall these trees are. Big step up. Oh geez, I did not get in shape enough for this. But you're here now, you are here alone, on a mountain. Just you. Oofta. Okay, keep going, Laura. Why am I doing this to myself? I'm maybe an hour into the first backpacking trip of my life. I don't even really remember how I got the idea in the first place. I'd never backpacked before, didn't even do much camping as a kid. But I have always loved exploring nature, growing up in a very small Midwestern town. From digging up salamanders in the backyard to climbing trees, I loved being outside. But after years living in the big city once I was grown, maybe I'd lost that wonder and curiosity of my childhood. The spirit of the wild-haired, knee-scraped young me must have called out. She whispered in my ear, "You are ready for adventure." And next thing you know, I'm flying across the country to strap on a heavy pack, climb up a mountain, and sleep in the woods, all by myself. Why am I doing this to myself? I think it again. But then, there is a rustling in a tree ahead of me. I stop dead in my tracks, and there it is. I watch in awe as a black bear descends towards the forest floor from high in an evergreen. My heart is pounding. I am so excited. The bear climbs down and is gone. The whole encounter lasts less than 20 seconds. It is another full minute after the bear has scurried into the forest that I can even move. My pack feels lighter, and I almost float up the final miles of the trail in some kind of blissful trance. As I lay in my tent that night, alone in the woods, hearing the symphony of nighttime noises, I'm filled with an incredible feeling. What else have I yet to see out in nature? I didn't know it yet, but that day, that first night in the woods would be the beginning. A spark that would light adventures to see wildlife around the world. These moments witnessing the power and beauty of this planet changed me. I had reconnected with my childhood love for nature. These travels ignited a passion for conservation and led me to go back to school to learn how to share my love of nature with others. People thought I was crazy when I decided to go out into the woods alone. But my time in solitude out in the world has been some of the best times of my life. Whew, here we go again, out on the trail by myself. 3 miles in, 4 more to go. And still I ask myself, why am I doing this to myself? I pause to catch my breath. Wait, listen. There is movement on the path ahead. Oh yeah, I know exactly why I'm doing this.